What's up, everybody? I'm Tim from Tim Ridge Gifts, joined again by my lovely assistant Lyric. You guys might remember her from the kids candle video we did. She's back to help me out with another kids project, so let's check it out. Today we are going to be making scoopable wax. I'm going to let Lyric take my seat. We're going to walk you through it and show you just how easy it is. It's going to be a nice fun project you guys can do with your kids. It can also be a sellable product that you can have in your shops. Let's trade spots, Larry. So all we're going to need for this is just some flake soy wax. You got to use the flakes because at the end we're going to mash it up where it's going to have a real doughy consistency. So if you're using the granules or a block, it's just not going to work well for you. So make sure you use the flakes. For this we're using Golden Brands 464. We're going to need our candle dye, fragrance oil, a 1 gallon Ziploc bag, another container which we'll bring out later, and a rolling pin. Now we've got 8 ounces of soy wax. We've got 1 ounce of fragrance oil, so that's going to give us a 12% fragrance load. You can do anywhere from 10 to 12. 12 is about as much as you want to go to, otherwise it's not going to soak it all up. It's going to be kind of greasy on you, but 12 is going to be just right. So go ahead and get started. We're just going to add our flakes to our Ziploc bag. Up it. Okay, just put that on the floor. Now we're just going to lay it out. We're going to let Larry take the rolling pin, and we're just going to break it up as much as we possibly can. You'll know you're done when everything's broken up as much as you can. It's going to form like a really wet, doughy type material. That's what we're looking for. So now we're going to go ahead and open it up. We're going to pour it back into our container. Okay, now we're going to add our candle dye. You really only want about 2 or 3 drops. We're done with that. Now we're going to add our fragrance oil. What kind of fragrance oil are we going to use?
Monkey fart fragrance.
Monkey farts. Now you want to dump that in there?
Yeah, all of it?
Yeah, the whole thing.
It's gonna be monkey farts.
Yeah. Now we're just going to stir it up.
So, I chose yellow for the color. And it looks really pretty.
Kind of smells like bananas too, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And that's why I chose yellow, because I know that the monkey fart smells like banana.
All right, you got it all mixed up? Yep, that's good enough for now.
Good enough.
All right, let's set your stick out. There we go. All right, once we've got it all mixed up, we're going to go and put our lid on. And it's going to take anywhere from 2 to 3 days for the wax to soak up all the fragrance oil. So we're just going to let this sit just occasionally. We're just going to give it a good shake, make sure it's getting mixed up really well. And our end result is going to look something like this. Now we can just keep it in here and just use it ourselves. Or if we wanted to give it as a gift or actually sell it in our shops, we can go and add it to a nice container. Alright, we've got it all in our jar. We can just cap it off. Now that's ready to give as a gift or to sell in our shops. Let's check out how we use it. Now the great thing about the scoopable wax is unlike wax melts, we can use as little or as much as we want of this. So all we're going to do is just take our spoon, just scoop out however much we want, and just put it in our melter. Go for it. No, maybe not that much. Maybe not that much.
Is that enough?
That's good, buddy.
There.
Alrighty. Alright, luckily I've got a big melter. That's really all there is to it. A nice, fun, easy project you can do at home with your kids. Did you have fun?
Very much fun.
Right. Nice, easy DIY project, but also a sellable product that you can see on your shelves one day. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Larry's going to be joining me for more kids videos. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Bye.
All right, good job, buddy.